Boom, baby, what up? This is your real estate expert, Morad Fiki. I'm so excited. I'm over here in South Houston with my buddy Jonathan Hunter, who is an expert. And by the way, he is a HGTV star, okay? So he was able to spend some time today and also, show us this incredible home that he's remodeling. And by the way, I must say, when I first saw this house, man, this is night and day.
Night and day, that's right.
Night and day. I wish that we would have showed you this house to see from where it was to where it is now. You would be like, wow, is that even possible? And it is. How's it going, Arturo? That's my buddy from Mexico.
All right.
So,
Yo, Turo.
how's it going? So let's do a quick walkthrough.
Let's do it.
And show us what you're doing. I'm so excited. Let me see. We're gonna flip it around. Okay, so we're gonna pretend the dumpster's not there, but actually the dumpster is, getting rid of all the hoarding.
That's right.
That was here previously.
So the dumpster's part of the story, and the story is that this is number 5. So we had 5 dumpsters worth of trash and hoarder crap to get rid of, just to make this house pretty again. So
Yeah.
part of being an investor is taking things as is and taking things as they come. So that's what we.
Boom. All right. So let's go ahead and walk through. So yeah, so they have had this dumpster filled. This dumpster right behind me has been filled 5 times. Is that right?
That's right.
5 times with stuff that the house had, hoarding and whatnot. So it was awesome, So let's have a look at the front. Can you walk us through how you flip-flop this?
Yeah.
Because I think that was very awesome, very important also.
Part of the challenge with this house is that it had a super awkward layout. So what we wanted to do was to make it family friendly, make it easy to get into and see yourself living here.
Awesome.
So originally when you walked in, you went this way to the living room, and then you had to shut this door in order to get into the master bedroom, because the master bedroom was back here in the garage conversion.
Okay.
And that was just a terrible layout. And so what we wanted to do was create a flow.
Yeah.
And so we came in here, you now go only to the right into the living room, and then off of the living room, you're able now to get to all the bedrooms, all the bathrooms, back into the kitchen dining room area.
Okay.
And then now you have a really grand entrance right here into your master bedroom.
Boom.
And in fact, your master bedroom. You come in here.
I think I stepped on something.
Just a bottle.
Gatorade bottle. Okay.
So you come in here through your nice little hallway. That way you've got some separation.
Awesome.
And then you're into the big master bedroom.
Boom! Look at that big master bedroom. That's what I'm talking about. Modernize. This is how you modernize a house. Right?
That's right. So now it all flows really well. And the way that this layout was before, the master bath was over there, and it created this weird rectangle shape where you had to walk around different corners in the master bedroom.
Yeah.
So what we did is we just reconfigured it, made it nice and square, so now it's huge. You can see all kinds of opportunity in here. And then you've got a massive master suite in the back.
I love it. I feel like he's building the house for me. So, I think this is a pretty sweet. If you had even seen this bathroom before, you would not believe how far it's come.
So right now, Morad, you're standing in what was the closet.
Yeah.
So now it's part of the master bedroom. We created this space back here for the master bath. So you walk in, you got a huge double vanity over here, just a massive walk-in shower, getting it all waterproofed and everything. The tile's about to go in. We stole about 3 feet from the utility room in the back to create this toilet room here. So now you can go to the restroom in peace.
Wow. Because it was just open before.
Before it was just open,
Yeah.
And then the really nice piece here, we stole some room also from the utility room to create this giant master closet. And we built these custom built-ins.
Whoa. That's what I'm talking about.
So now what was a super awkward layout, a really, sort of thrown together space, is really well planned. We were able to take space where we needed it from other rooms to create this really nice setup. It's going to be perfect for a small family.
I love it. I absolutely love it. Boom. And then the vanity is going over here.
Vanity's going over here, yep.
So, and just for, for the not so seasoned investors or people who haven't really done much rehabbing, I see a red and a blue. Is that hot and cold?
That's the PEX plumbing. So we replumbed the entire house.
Whoa.
And so, yeah, so that's red for hot and blue for cold.
And there was galvanized pipes?
There was, yeah, the old school.
Awesome,
yeah.
awesome. So you got rid of those.
Got rid of all that stuff, new
Good
plumbing
job.
everywhere, new electrical everywhere, all new
Good
HVAC,
job.
yeah.
See, when you do a rehab, you do a great job.
We try to be thorough, yeah.
That's what I want to point out. All right, we're walking through. I think they cut off my music. I was about to jam it out. So here we are in the dining and kitchen living area.
That's right. This is the dining room, the kitchen, and then back behind the kitchen we've got the utility room. So this was all, a seriously chopped up and gross looking space.
Yeah.
So we demoed the entire kitchen. We opened up a little wall and just made it huge and really open and friendly.
And what is this in the middle right here?
These right here are cabinets that we just had built.
Awesome.
And they were just delivered yesterday. We still have some painting to do, so wanted to cover those cabinets to protect them before they go in.
Awesome, awesome. And here's some of the design for the cabinets, just so we can just get a quick glimpse.
That's right, yep. So we've got a really long cabinet wall against these windows.
Awesome.
And then there's the corner where the fridge and the range is going.
Awesome. I love it. Love it. All right. And so about how long of a rehab is this?
So we started this the second week of March.
Okay.
And we are about 2 weeks away from being done. So
Man,
just about 2.5 months.
Yeah, not
We
bad.
hustled through it. We did foundation work, like I said, HVAC, electrical, plumbing, all new sheetrock, everything. The whole thing.
So you can do it.
Yeah.
Get it done.
Absolutely,
That's what
we
I'm
got it
talking
done,
about. That is what I'm talking about. So, all right. Is there anything else you have? Anything else you want to show us?
No, I mean, that's it. We're super excited about it. Thanks, Morad, for coming by. So glad to see you.
We're going to sell this puppy.
Absolutely. We're going to make this happen.
I love you, man.
Love you too.
Thank you. HGTV with Morad and Jonathan. And let us know if you have any questions. We love you. If you like these videos, please like, comment, share, let us know. And we're happy to bring this to you. Value, added knowledge, and top real estate expert.
That's
right
right
here, baby. Love it.
Thanks, everybody.
Thanks. We'll see you soon.